Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. Negative 271 minus x equals 873. Solving means isolating x on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The minus 271 keeps x from standing alone. Add 271 to both sides to remove it. That gives negative x equals 1144. Negative 1 is multiplying x. To leave x alone, divide both sides by negative 1. Quick check. Substitute negative 1144 for x. Both sides equal 873, so the equation balances. So, x equals negative 1144.